Love browsing websites or trying out new apps? In this video, I reveal your gateway to earning money by testing websites and apps. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your spare time into real rewards. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I consistently share incredible and effective methods to make money online, which can be done from anywhere in the world. It would be fantastic if you could comment below and let me know which country you are watching from, so I can tailor specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine getting paid real money for something you already enjoy doing, testing websites and apps. Welcome to Tribert.me, the exciting opportunity of monetizing your skills by testing a diverse range of websites, software, and apps. This is not just a gateway to earning money, but also an avenue for you to grow and learn. Tribert serves as a platform for individuals to earn money by testing a variety of websites, software, and apps. Tribert welcomes all, whether you're inquisitive, tech-savvy, or just starting out. If your goal is to learn while enjoying the process, then you've certainly found the perfect place. Starting with Tribert is very simple. Sign up on Tribert website, fill in your profile, and increase your selection possibilities. Then, you need to complete the basic Tribert course and become eligible for the campaigns. And lastly, apply to campaigns and earn experience points and money. No special tools are needed for testing, just the devices you use every day. To join a campaigns, log in to the member dashboard, find a campaign that interests you, and click on it to view requirements and the Apply Now link. Sometimes, you may need to fill out a survey to check eligibility. Upon acceptance, it is crucial to ensure the completion of all necessary tasks. Additionally, submitting your work prior to the deadline is a prerequisite for being considered for the award. Upon completing a campaign, you earn rewards and experience points based on your performance. Accumulating experience boosts your reputation as a Tribert tester and increases the likelihood of future campaign invitations, including higher paying opportunities. You can effortlessly withdraw your earnings either through a seamless direct bank transfer or PayPal. Both options offer you the flexibility and convenience to access your funds in a way that suits your preferences best. Join a community of testers who are earning cash, gift cards, and more just by providing their honest opinions on websites and apps. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make money while having fun. Sign up now to start testing and earning real rewards today. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.